Comprehensive data is key to supporting operational decisions. Yet many hazardous environments are beyond the reach of existing data capture technologies. Introducing the Elios 3 Surveying Payload, turning Elios 3 into a flying mobile scanner to create centimeter-accurate scans for rapid insights that are not accessible with traditional tools or other UAV technologies. The high-resolution Ouster OSO 128 Rev7 LiDAR sensor, in combination with the world's leading Faro Connect SLAM algorithm, create incredibly accurate 3D maps. With a range of 100 meters, a point density of 1.3 million points per second, and a capacity to cover a 300-meter tunnel in a single flight, Elios 3 turns multiple days of scanning into a 10-minute job. Fitting through openings as small as 50 times 50 centimeters, Elios 3 can navigate through the most complex environments to capture high-resolution scans of the most confined spaces. The Surveying Payload is bundled with Faro Connect, a powerful software solution that helps you easily convert the drone data into highly accurate point clouds. With Elios 3 Surveying Payload, produce clean, high-resolution scans of inaccessible areas.